Hello guys, today I'm showing you where the coil located, ignition coil and spark plug underneath on 2016 Honda Civic. 2016 2021 pretty much is the same. This is where they're located. It has 4 coils. This is a 4-cylinder. Once you remove these bolts and unclip this first, and once you remove these bolts and this coil comes out, if you want to replace the coils, you can do the same way. It's very easy. And once you remove the coil, underneath you will find the spark plugs. So you can use if you want to replace the spark plug, you can do this the same way. So same way you can remove the coils and remove the spark plug to replace it with a new one, or clean it up, whatever you like to do on that. So hopefully you will like this video, and if you do, thumbs up and like my channel. Thank you.